you know that in recent years, thousands of people around the world have heard strange sounds coming from the sky? Sounds like massive metal roars, giant horns, or otherworldly echoes that sometimes continue for hours with no identifiable source. These sounds have been reported in the US, Russia, Europe, and even deep forests. In some videos, people watch the sky in fear and awe as a sound like a giant machine moving in the clouds or a colossal horn from the night sky echoes around them. Some say these are secret government experiments, mysterious projects never revealed to the public. Others believe the sounds are cosmic signals or alien communications. Some theories even suggest they are the breath of the Earth itself or natural warnings from our planet. The truth? No one really knows where these sounds come from. Now imagine being alone at night, everything quiet, and suddenly hearing these strange noises from above. Your heart would definitely start racing.